Yeah, this thing is on. Okay. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh, Bobby, I don't know, but Bobby, this character is absolutely adorable. I know the name, I don't know how to pronounce it. Girl, it is not Christmas, by the way. It's Easter. It's Easter Day. Okay. Just gonna. Whatever. I'm also trying to get 1,600 itcher, as you can see, and actually 300 baskets to get Exen. As you can see, I only have 208 baskets, so close, and 1,055 itcher. So it's amazing. Oh, and they just left. Well, I wasn't paying attention. I called that as my fault. Okay. I'm actually so amazed. Huh? That's Twisted Pebbles. I was for a second, I couldn't see anything. And my screen, I couldn't see anything. But anyways, yeah. So I have like encountered like so many twisted. I got 300% research on them. Twisted Cosmo, Twisted Boxton, and Twisted Poppy. Obviously Twisted Poppy. I mean, no. My gosh. And I'm so close to Twisted Tisha. Oh my gosh. So, yeah. Never mind. I was going to, and I'm not. But, like, and I got the Lushy Bat because you know why I'm going to join that group. I love Dandy's World. It's my favorite. By the way. Anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4 long run. Bassie's a very nostalgia character. A very nostalgia character. Oh yeah. Okay. I was about to say for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4. She keeps repeating. I don't think she has to repeat herself. Honestly. I'm going to get you Exen, and I'm also going to get your skin. I think the skins are also 600 Easter baskets. That'd be nice. And it wouldn't be long. Hold on. It wouldn't be long. Not gonna lie, Shrimpo's kind of looking hot. I'm just kidding. Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Let's go. Bassie, I'm not going. Yes. Come on. No. Exen. I went Exen. Sorry. Oh my gosh, we had so many Rogers. I think we're gonna lose. We're probably gonna lose. Oh my gosh. Cause when all the Rogers die, it won't be that many. So that's a bad thing. So yeah.
Where is he?
I'll kiss the boy. Thank you. I am looking for Twisteds. I want Twisted Tisha so bad. Yes. Yeah. What's this? Never mind. I don't want it. Oh, someone's already done with the machine. And another one. I didn't. Like, up here. Oh, okay, well. What is, so Tisha probably has the female. No, Tisha. Oh my gosh, I'm at one heart already. I'm gonna die. No. Bruh. Really, bruh? Well, I mean, at least I'm getting... Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Yes! Oh my gosh. Yes, ma'am. Hold on. I know. I think I'm gonna unequip you, and I'm gonna equip you. Hold up. Oh my gosh. I want Sprout's trinkets so bad. Oh my gosh. I'm already Twisted Louie. Oh my gosh. Okay. Twisted Yada. Hold up. I'm finna get her trinket. Oh my gosh. And I'm about to get Louie's trinket too. And Twisted Fin. And Twisted Shrimpo. Actually, Shrimpo only and Yada's and Louie's. Oh my gosh, I need to get Yada. Hold on. Part 2 will be soon. Bye, y'all. Do I have to?